What's up, YouTube? This is Bullseye Nate 231, and today I'm going to show you how to change the battery in the key fob on a Nissan vehicle. So let's jump right in. What you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver, a pair of scissors to open up the package, and you're going to need a new battery. Now, the battery that is used in this key fob is a 2025. Okay, so basically that's just the thickness of the battery. You'll see 2032s, 2016s. They have all different types of sizes, but the 2025 is what you're going to need to replace this battery. So what we're going to do is just cut this open like such, and I'm going to open it up. Alright, so we got our battery. And obviously, as you can see on the sticker here, don't allow children to play with this. Harmful. Alright, anyway. So what we're going to do is, I'm actually going to make another video of how to get in your car if your key fob dies. But I'm going to show you a little sneak peek here what you do. You see this little thing right here? We're going to push this way, and we're going to pull. And there's actually a hidden key. Alright, and so this is how you would get in the vehicle if your key fob was dead. But we don't need that for now, and it just clicks right back in. I'll show you how to put it back in here in just a minute. But if you look at this, you'll see a little notch right here. So if you take your screwdriver and you fit it in that little notch and you twist, and as you can see, it started to come apart. And now we're just going to kind of work our way down. Alright, and now you see the battery. So we're going to pop the battery out. I can get it out. Alright, so we got the battery out. And just to make sure, we're going to look at the number. And you can see it is a 2025. Alright, so then we're going to take our new one, open it up, I'll take it out of the package. Man, they don't want kids getting a hold of these. Alright, oh, they had me fooled. Alright, so we're just going to put the battery in, positive, facing down. Alright, and then we put the key fob back together. So we're just going to line everything up, and it just snaps back together. And then the key goes right back in for safekeeping. And that is it. You have successfully changed your key fob battery on your Nissan. Thanks for watching. I hope this video is helpful. Please subscribe. Hit that like button. I'll see y'all next time.